Brass Eagle Adventure Team and the Savage Island. We now continue the adventure. 20 minutes from the northwest Oregon coast.
We dropped your gear on the island 2 hours ago. The coordinates are marked on your GPS.
Okay, thanks.
We are 5 minutes from Kraken. I'll do a low-altitude fly around so you can get a good look at the island.
To be continued. Join us next week. Stay tuned for some bonus content. Brass Eagle Adventure Team is a legendary group of explorers. They have been active for many years and are renowned for their expertise in investigating the paranormal, cryptozoology, and the recovery of stolen artifacts. Their dedication to protecting the past in order to preserve the future has earned them worldwide respect and admiration. Nowadays, the founding members of the team have grown older and wiser, but their passion for adventure has not diminished. They have passed on their knowledge and skills to their adult children, who are now part of the team. Together, they continue to embark on daring expeditions, exploring the world and uncovering its hidden mysteries. The Brass Eagle Adventure Team is often called upon to investigate important assignments that require their unique set of skills. They are trusted to handle delicate situations that involve the recovery of stolen artifacts and the investigation of paranormal phenomena. Their expertise in cryptozoology has also led them to discover new species and uncover evidence of creatures previously thought to be mythical. The team's success is due to their strong bond and ability to work together as a cohesive unit. Their experience in the field has taught them to be adaptable, resourceful, and quick thinking, which has allowed them to overcome many obstacles and challenges. Thanks for watching. Please join us next week as we continue the adventure. Please click the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe if you are not already. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.